Hello, how's your day? Well, I'm going out to run some errands, pick up books from my friend, and buy lunch. So it's kind of a rush day for me, and I heard that Domino has this new Pandu Ambil service. So I'm gonna try it out and see how it works. Let's order now. First, open the Domino's app, select the store, click on the promos and coupons. I'm gonna grab this buy one free two deal via Pandu Ambil and get a free 1.5 liter Tropicana twister. Well, payment is 100% cashless. I can use my card, online banking, or choose GrabPay e-wallet. When the payment is completed, the tracker even shows what time my food will be ready. It also indicates to turn on the hazard lights once I arrive at the front of the store. The last step is to choose Pandu Ambil and key in my card details. Well, since I'm rushing to my friend's place, I am glad that I placed the order and make the payment in advance. So now I just have to Pandu Ambil my food. Let's go! Finally, I reach. I'm going to turn on my car hazard lights and click on the I'm here button on the app. And the Domino's crew is coming.
Hai Miss Kelly, ni saya pada Domino's. Dia ada dua regular pizza, one break dengan one twister, betul?
Betul.
Okey, saya letak di belakang boleh?
Boleh.
Okey.
Buka, pintu dah buka ya.
Okey, terima kasih. Besi saya letak di dalam ya.
Boleh. Terima kasih, Dek.
Okey, sama-sama.
Okay. As you can see, there is zero contact between me and the Domino's crew, so it is very safe, very fast and hassle-free. Now I don't have the pressure and waste time finding car park and also queuing at the store. I've got my orders. Well, it's my first time experiencing this service and I'm going to Pandu Ambil my pizzas at Domino's after this.